we are inside the fall. Thing Niagara Falls. This is the Canada side of the Niagara Falls, American side of the Niagara Falls. Wow, it's beautiful. Perfect. Picture perfect scenery there. Welcome to the Reza On The Journey. I am in Niagara City in Canada. I am here to, right now I am on my way to the Niagara Falls. Here is the Atlanta airport. Jimmy Carter and Roosevelt Carter is there. Train to the Gate C escalator. Right.
Hi there.
Hello, I'm there.
Oh, right there?
Okay, it's okay, you can. Just leaving from Atlanta to Buffalo. But it was like almost 2 hours delayed. Now this one just up here. Ontario was. This is the Buffalo right next to the lake. Look at how green is this now. We are landing now. There you go. There you go, small airport, but we just landed. The Buffalo Airport concourse or terminal. I am on my way out. Canada side of the Niagara Falls, there's a Rainbow Bridge, Canada only, and Main Street, USA. Oh, I'm glad I got through this. And literally should go. This is the Canadian side. Good. Niagara Falls, New York. Niagara Falls, Ontario. We are on the Rainbow Bridge and I can see both sides of the Niagara Falls. Look at that right over there. It's so beautiful. There's the observatory deck from US side. I have a 6:30 appointment with the boat to see the Canadian side of the falls. Welcome to the Reza On The Journey. I am at the Canadian side of the Niagara City in Canada, Ontario. Here is the zip line come through that, okay? So it goes from here to there. There's the American side of the Niagara Falls. There you go, Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. There's a boat over there. That's the boat I'm gonna be taking at 6:30 through that way to there. Welcome to Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. Today is the Labor Day weekend. I am in Canada, city of Niagara. This is the zip line. So people look at it, get it. The kids are going there. Get it, look at it, get it, look at it. There you go. There you go. That's going towards the Niagara thing. Over there, there's the fall. Right there's the fall. Look at the beautiful mist. One is this is the US one. That's the Canadian one. Look at that, how beautiful that's Niagara Falls. And the other one is right over there. That is the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. Thank you for watching the video. We will show you more about it. Let's get started. I'm gonna go to the boat. This is the boat we're gonna ride in 3 minutes. That's the American side of the boat. It's so beautiful, mind-boggling, spectacular. It's unbelievable. So I'm gonna go towards the boat. So I have a 6:30 boat ride. So this is the way to boarding. So I'm going there. Marine security measures there. There. Right there. So we're gonna show our ticket there. At the Canadian side of the boat ride, we're gonna get into it. A lot of food, a lot of things here. Yeah, let me see what else they have here. All those red people are going there, so they're gonna become me a red, so I'll go red. Thank you. This is the red thing I'm gonna wear now. There. When you come here, they give you this red thing. This is the jacket you're gonna take from here. That's called rain jacket. You wear it here, then you go like everybody else because you're gonna get wet. You are gonna get wet. So that's how we're gonna go to that boat. I'm going to wire that now, right here. I'm gonna wire it. Everybody's wiring now, so I'm gonna wire the red. I just had my red coat on. They're just giving the red coat from there. Now I'm gonna go board to this ship. We're on the line right now to get to the boat. Boat is right there. The first one to get in, there. Let me see where people goes. We're gonna go towards that. We're gonna go front. We took the place. This is the American side of the falls. There's a boat right below that. There. That is the Canadian side of the fall. That is the Niagara City and people down there. That's the observatory over there. It's on the Canadian side of the boat in Niagara Falls, Canada. It is so beautiful. Seems like they're gonna leave now. They just started. That's the observatory, the Niagara Falls, New York side. There. Look at it. Wow, that's beautiful. There you go. There, two boats is meeting each other. That is the Canadian boat, like we have now the red one. That's the Canadian side of the fall. The American boat side there. Canadian side of the fall. Bird is flying right towards me, right there. American side, but the boat is down there. We're going towards the boat. There's the bridge, the observatory thing, American side of the, a lot of people are here. Get it? It is so beautiful right behind. It's the spectacular, the scenery. The mist are coming, so we're gonna get wet. American side of the Niagara Falls. There are birds. Look at all those birds. Nice, beautiful birds. So look at it on the boat. Here we just finished, and now we go back to that. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, one of a kind. We're gonna get wet now. We are getting away. We are getting away. Look at this. Yeah, we are going towards that. Yes, this is what I did. That is it. That's how. And it's yes. Look at it. Wow. We are getting wet. We are getting completely wet. So look at how beautiful is this. Look at this. Yeah, we are going towards that. Yes, this is what I was looking for. That's the one. Wow. Yes, that is it. That's how the and his wave is. Yes. Look at it. Wow. Yes. Yep. And the wave and the thing. Yep. Look at it. This is what I talk about. Okay. Let's do it again. Yes. Yes. There you go. Start from there. Start from there. Right there. Yeah. Yes. We are in there. We are in it. We are in it. Look at it. It's so much. Wow. So much mist in our face. Look at it. Everybody enjoying it. Look at the rocks right there. But we're gonna go more. Okay? Oh my God. There you go, more. The fall is behind me. There is that. Look at it. Oh. Yes. There you go. Now there. Inside now. Look at it, look at it. Yeah, now we're turning around. We are turning around there. There. Turning around. Wow. That is one of a kind. Yes. Woo. We all gotta wait. We all gotta wait. There you go. So we had a great time underneath the fall. We just came back from that one. There's so much weight. Everybody got a weight. So we had a great time. This bridge meet Canada and America together there. I'm gonna go to the other side. People are getting ready to leave now. People on the boat, look at all red. Everybody's red. There. Our little boat ride. First we went to the American side and then we went to the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. And we got wet when we went to the Canadian side because there was so much water was coming towards us. I took some videos, so it was a wonderful boat ride. Everybody enjoyed it. Oh, look at the sun is shining right on the thing. Wow. Look at it. Through the flag you can see the rainbow. Wow, it's beautiful. This was just a beautiful thing. See you next time. Thank you for joining Reza On The Journey.